What is a paleo diet? The paleo diet is an eating plan that imitates how prehistoric humans may have eaten. It involves eating whole foods that people could theoretically hunt or gather. Paleo diet eliminates all processed foods, cutting down dairy, legumes and whole grains like oats, quinoa and brown rice. It allows all kinds of fruits and berries but eliminates all forms of dairy products like milk, cheese, cream or butter. It also eliminates artificial sweeteners. Paleo diet supporters claim, eating this way can improve workouts, increase energy, help with weight loss, stabilize blood sugar and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. What to eat? Fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, lean meats, especially grass-fed animals or wild game. Fish, especially those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, mackerel and albacore tuna. Oils from fruits and nuts, such as olive oil or walnut oil. What to avoid? Grains, such as wheat, oats and barley. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, peanuts and peas. Dairy products, refined sugar. Salt, potatoes, highly processed foods in general. The benefits of paleo diet: more weight loss, improved glucose tolerance, better blood pressure control, lower triglycerides, better appetite management. The typical paleo diet, however, puts most at risk for deficiencies in calcium and vitamin D, which are critical to bone health. At the same time, saturated fat and protein can be consumed far above recommended levels, increasing the risk of kidney and heart disease and certain cancers. You might be able to achieve the same health benefits by getting enough exercise and eating a balanced, healthy diet with a lot of fruits and vegetables. A doctor's advice is recommended before changing a diet plan, especially for those with any medical condition or suffering from any other serious ailment.